Hi there. Today for our writing, we are going to be writing about our favourite piece of fruit or vegetable and saying why that is our favourite. I'm going to draw my favourite type of fruit. Let's see how fast you are at guessing what it is. Any ideas yet? My fruit has lots and lots and lots of tiny little seeds that we eat. It has green leaves and it has a bit of a green stem. This is the green stem, which I might have done a little bit too big. And sometimes you can eat it, but normally you lift it up and you pick the fruit off of it. And normally the seeds are yellow and my fruit is usually a red colour. If my fruit is not ripe, and that means it's not ready to eat, it hasn't grown enough on the vine, it normally is still white. But when it is ripe and ready to be chewed and munched and go into our tummies, it turns a red or a pink colour. And normally the seeds are yellow. I did them black to start with, and I went over them in yellow. I don't think you can see them though. Sometimes the seeds are black though. I think they can be yellow or black seeds. Have you guessed my fruit now? A strawberry. Do you like eating strawberries? What are some ways that you can eat strawberries? We can have them on our own. Sometimes we can have them sliced up in a fruit salad. At Christmas time, we have them on pavlova. And sometimes if we're really, really, really lucky, we can get chocolate dipping sauce and dip our strawberries in the sauce and eat it that way. Delicious. Or sometimes we can have strawberry ice cream. Do you like eating strawberry ice cream? Or strawberries could be made into a sorbet. How do you like to eat your favourite type of fruit? I'm going to write now, I like strawberries. I like strawberries. And that is going to be my first sentence. So at the end of my sentence, I need to put a full stop. And if I use a full stop, what goes after? A capital letter. I like strawberries. I know we can write a little bit more than that. Would you like to know why I like eating strawberries? You do? I like them because when you bite into them, sometimes they're very, very sweet. Or sometimes they can be a little bit sour. You never know what you're going to get, sweet or sour. Or sometimes a strawberry can be sweet and sour, which makes my tongue tickle. What do you think when you eat a strawberry? For the next part of my writing, I need to say why I like strawberries as my favourite fruit. I did just tell you, but now I need to write it down. So, I like strawberries. And why? Because, remember what we talked about? I just used a full stop. So the B for because needs to be a capital letter or the big B. Okay. I like strawberries because they taste sweet or sour, or sometimes both. So because they taste sweet or sour, which tickles my tongue. Full stop, because I finished the sentence. I'm now going to read you my story. Just listen for the first time I read it. I like strawberries because they taste sweet or sour, which tickles my tongue. I'm going to read you my story, and then I'm going to get you to read it, and I'll point to the words. Okay, so listening is on. I like strawberries. That's one sentence. Now it's your turn to read it. Great reading. Now listen for the next part. Because they taste sweet or sour, which tickles my tongue. It's your turn now. Superb reading. You are such a fantastic learner. Let's read it one time all together to make sure that we know all the words. Ready? I like strawberries because they taste sweet or sour, which tickles my tongue. You might know some other types of food that make your tongue tickle. Do you know what kind of fruit or vegetable is your favourite and what you're going to write about? Are you ready to identify some letter sounds? Make sure that you're listening and let's find some. What letter makes a h, h, h sound? Do you know? Oh, good. Would you like to whisper it to me? Yeah. It's the letter H. H, h, h stands for H. There aren't many H's in our story. Let's see if we can find one. There's one on this line here. Sweet or sour, which? H, h, h. Can you hear the h sound? Oh, there is 2 H's. Let's just choose one. Which? H, h, h stands for the letter H. Are you ready for the next letter? R, r, r. What letter makes a r sound? Can you whisper it again? The letter R makes a r, r, r sound. And it's in the top line. I like strawberries. Did you hear that a little bit? Berries. Berries. Berries has 2 R's in it. Let's put a circle around one. Strawberries. Let's try a blend. A blend is 2 letters joined together to make a sound. Okay? What blend makes a st, st, st sound? Remember, it's 2 letters joined together to make one sound. What 2 letters make a st, st sound? I think I told you the answer for this one. St. S and a T. For strawberries. St. S. T. Should we try one more? Okay, you listening? Sw, sw, sw. So what 2 letters are joined together to make one sound? Sw, sw, w, sw, sw, sw. Too easy. S, W, sw. And I'm going to circle it for sweet. Sw, sweet. You are such a smarty pants. Let's read the story together one more time, and then you can go and write about your own favourite fruit or vegetable. And remember to say why it is your favourite fruit or vegetable. Okay, let's read it one more time. I like strawberries because they taste sweet or sour, which tickles my tongue. And remember what goes at the end of a sentence? A full stop. Remember as well to please give my video a great big like by clicking the thumbs up button down below. Until next time, bye.